Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix Messenger voice call and video call problem sound not working, and open on Google Play Store and click on search bar on your Play Store, search app and games and click option Messenger. Search on Messenger on Play Store and update your Messenger app if available on your Play Store. Click or tap on Messenger app icon and click on this icon. Clear your storage and data and tap on this icon and click on clear data and delete on your clear data this option. Now open on your Messenger apps. Now call on your contact. Now you can see this problem solve it. Thanks for watching full video.